Hi, my name is Zane.
And my name is Kevin.
And we're at... You should say it.
Okay, fine.
Hi, my name is Zane.
And my name is Kevin. And today we're at Chaminade University at one of the dorms here called Hale Lokelani. Throughout this video, we're just gonna give you a tour about this place. Currently, we're at the lounge/lobby area.
People usually like to sit, relax, do homework over there.
That little area is the kitchen, so why don't we go head over?
We're in the kitchen right now, and the kitchen is for community use, for the whole dorm to use. So if you're like me and you don't cook because things don't turn out well when you do, there's other alternatives like the Silver Sword Cafe. It's a buffet style, pre-made food, hot grill, pizzas, soups, desserts, you name it.
Usually I don't cook down here, but if I do, it's like noodles, cup of noodles and stuff like that.
So this is the laundry room. There's 4 washers total, 4 dryers, and they're all card activated, so you have to have a debit card or credit card to use them. It's about $1 or 75 cents per wash or load.
Right now we're in the stairwell, so we've just talked about the first floor, which has the kitchen, the lounge, and things like that, but now we're about to head up. So the second floor is mainly girls, and then the third floor is where all the boys are. So let's go. Now here's the main event.
Just when you thought you saw it all, come on in. All rooms in Hale Lokelani come furnished with a desk, 3 shelves in the front for decoration, a bed per roommate, and ceiling fan.
Right here we have our cabinets and our closets, and the top one is filled with clothes, and the bottom one is filled with toiletries and other utilities that I use. And in my closet, I have other clothes and other things that I put in here. And I can hide my roommate. This right here is the bathroom space, and we share this with another room, so 2 more guys. So in total, there's 4 guys that currently use this bathroom. Right here we have the toilet. This is our shower. And that's a wrap, y'all. So I hope to see you guys on campus.
Aloha!
Bye!
Sorry, that was kind of rough.